Waxing and sharpening are the core of winter gear maintenance. They not only ensure optimal performance, but also safety and longevity. After cleaning the base, the maintainer melts wax using the special iron.
Waxing helps skis and a snowboard move faster and gives them better protection. There are 5 types of wax for different temperature ranges. The lowest temperature the wax can endure is minus 32 degrees Celsius. And every 8 degrees Celsius are a unit. Like the wax we chose today is for minus 18 to minus 6 degrees Celsius.
After it cools down, the maintainer scrapes off excess wax and then brushes the base to remove remaining wax particles.
Then we polish it, and after that, the base texture shows up, and it is crucial for maintaining speed and performance.
Yang stresses the importance of the edge maintenance, saying sharp edges are crucial for control and grip on hard snow or ice.
Then the ski can glide steadily over the snow, and it doesn't deviate from the path, and it makes it easier to brake.
Yang says some skis and snowboards that have been often used require base repair, and after this, the gear will be ready to use again for storage.
You feel a great sense of accomplishment when you see the whole process of a board with scratches and gouges becoming like a brand new one. This is joy. But the necessary skills are acquired over a long time. I began training on our own boards, and 5 or 6 years later, I can begin offering the service to guests.
Yang has 7 teammates. They maintain gear that has been rented out more than 10,000 times plus many others per year. And as ice and snow sports become more popular, such winter gear maintenance work is becoming more important. Zheng Yibing, CGTN, Zheng Hebei Province.